Welcome back, friends. In this video we will learn about the chess notations. It will help you to record your games. Now let's start with the basics. Each column on the chessboard is called a file. Here I have shown a file filled with pawns, and each row is called a rank. Here I have placed pawns in a rank. Each file is named after an alphabet from the English alphabet. For example, the first file is denoted by A and the last file by H. Also, each rank is denoted by a number. For example, here the lowest rank is the first rank and the topmost rank is the 8th rank. So in all there are 8 files and 8 ranks on a chess board. Now let us see how each piece is denoted. Here the king is denoted as K, the queen is denoted as Q, the rook as R, the bishop as B. The knight is quite tricky. We cannot write K for the knight as it is already reserved for king. So we write N for knight. And there is no notation for pawn. When we write a move, we first write that which piece is moving. For example, if we move a knight, we write N for it, and then we write in which square it is going. For example, if we have to move this knight to this square, we write NC3. Now you might be thinking that what should we write if the pawn moves, as there is no letter for pawn. Now if we move pawn to this square, it is written as D4 because the file is D and the rank is 4th rank. We will see some special notations like when a piece captures other piece, pawn promotion, check, checkmate, etc. First we will learn the notation for capturing. Here if the queen captures this bishop here, then we write Q, a small x for captures. The capturing is noted as small x. Coming back here, we write Q for queen, x for captures, small x, and F8 as it is the destination where the queen is there. So this move would be recorded as QXF8. Now let's talk about pawn promotion. When we promote our pawn, we write equal to sign there. Here if we promote our pawn to a queen, then we will write F8 is equal to Q. F8 for the destination square is equal to for promoting, and Q as we promoted to a queen. Similarly, if we promote to a knight, then we write E1 is equal to N as knight is denoted as N. We write plus sign for check. For example, if we move our rook here, we will write it as R4 F2 plus. Why R4? I will tell that you later. We wrote F2 as it is the destination square, R for the rook, and plus for the check. Now we will talk about checkmate. A checkmate is denoted by a hash. Here if we move our rook to this square, it is a checkmate. Here we will write R for rook, X as it captured the knight, h4 as it is the destination square, and hash after that because it is a checkmate. In short, this move will be r x h4 hash. We have notation for op saw as well. Here, if black moves his pawn here, and if we capture this op saw, then we will write it as G as it is the original file of this pawn, X for captures, and F6 as it is its destination square, and not F5 because the pawn is now at F6. In some rare cases where two identical pieces can go to a same square, we need to write there either file of that piece or the rank of that piece or both. For example, here it's white's move, and if we move this knight here, then we will write N for knight, C for its original file, as this knight can also come here, so we need to write the file and the destination square as E4. So this move will be recorded as NCE4. Now we will see similar example. Here the white king is in check and we want to kill that bishop. There are two rooks on same file, that is A file. So while recording, how can we record that which rook killed that bishop? For that we need to use the rank number. For example, if we kill that bishop with this first rank rook, then we will write that R for rook, 1 for the first rank, means that the rook was in the first rank, X for captures, and A4 which is its destination place. So this move will be R1X A4. In some rare cases, we have to tell both the rank name and the file name. For example, here if we want to move the queen in the square D8, we will confuse how to write that which queen, as if we write the file name, then there are two queens on the A file, and if we write the rank name, there are two queens on the 5th rank. So we need to specify both the rank and the file. So here if we move this queen here, we will denote it as Q for queen, A5 where it was before, destination place D8, and hash after it as it is a check and mate. Here we have learnt all the basic rules of chess notation. Thank you friends. Bye bye.